everybody, I'm Jala from Speak Pure English. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna speak about advice, recommendation, and structures related to advice. Let's begin. First of all, everybody needs advice in some cases. There is time we don't know what to do. We don't have any choice. In this case, we expect somebody else to show us the right way, give us a reasonable opinion. As it was said in a proverb, 2 heads are better than one. Don't confuse advice and advice. The word advice with the letter C is a noun. The word advice with the letter S is a verb. For example, it's good advice. I advise you to learn English. Now I am gonna introduce you a structure related to advice. You had better do something. It means it's advisable to do it. If you don't, there will be a problem or a danger. You had better take a taxi, or you might be late for your important meetings. As you know, had is the past form, but in this expression, the meaning is present or future, not past. You had better leave now. It's time to make up your mind, or it's time you made up your mind. In this structure, made is the past form of make, but the meaning is present or future, not past. You can also say it's high time to do something, or it's about time to do something. It's high time you went to bed. It's time you did something. We use this structure to criticize or to complain. It's time you gave my money back. If you say it's about time or it's high time, you make the criticism stronger. It's high time you realized your mistakes. Your leg is badly hurt. It's time to see a doctor. Or you can say, your leg is badly hurt. It's time you saw a doctor. Here, saw is the past form of see, but the meaning is present or future, not past. You can also use ought to instead of should. You should apply for this job. You ought to apply for this job. You should help him. You ought to help him. In question, should I go? Ought I to go? Should I help him? Ought I to help him? In negative, I shouldn't go. I oughtn't to go. I shouldn't help him. I oughtn't to help him. We often use should with I think, I don't think, do you think? I think you should work hard. I don't think you should work so hard. Do you think I should work hard? You can use should after a number of verbs, especially suggest, propose, recommend, insist, demand. I demanded that she should come in time. I insisted that she should have lunch with me. What do you suggest I should do? You can also use should after it's essential, it's vital, it's important that. It's important that you should be here on time. I think it's very honorable to give somebody advice, isn't it? To help somebody with solving their problem. Try to follow good advice and give good advice to people. In most cases, I also need advice, and I want to know what kind of advice do you need for learning English. Write your answers in the comments and let me know. Take care.